Good afternoon, Maayong hapon. My name is Alan and this is Bohol is Awesome. Thank you for checking out the video. If you're new to the channel, I am half Filipino, half Canadian. I grew up in Canada, but now I'm living here in Bohol, and this channel is dedicated to showing you all the awesome places around the province. So today is actually really cool. We are at Gracia Veranda. It's in Loay in the Himontagon Hills, also known as the Morning Hills. Check out this view. So today we're going to do a little bit of camping. The cool thing about this place is they have tents, they have rooms. So why don't I get unpacked and I'll show you around. I think this is going to be the most comfortable camping I've done in a long time. So before I get unpacked, why don't I throw the drone up? We're just about to get a really awesome sunset.
Just a dream, just all in my head.
Okay, just brought the drone back. We're a little bit behind today. We just got here for the sunset, which I'm glad we caught. But I think the priority now is to have some lunch, I guess dinner. I haven't really eaten yet today. I wasn't really sure what to make. This is my first solo camping trip here in the Philippines. I have a bunch of new gear. I didn't want it to get too complicated, so I think we're just gonna have ramen.
I know that you'd believe in me, so painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on, to let go. Time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for
all right, dinner is served. Got ourselves some fancy shin ramen noodles. Added some tomato, onion, green onion, an egg, and a little bit of lemon juice. All right, I'm starving. I'm gonna eat this, get cleaned up, tidy up my mess that I've made, and then I'll see you back here in a bit.
so painfully quiet and slow. I try my best to move on, letting go.
All right, so it's been about an hour or so since I had dinner. I think I'm gonna call it a night, just slowly make my way to bed, get everything packed up and into the tent. It's gonna be an early morning. I'm hoping to get up around 4:30, do a little bit of a hike. We're just beside the Himontagon Hills, the Morning Hills. So I wanna go check that out, do a little bit of a hike, and then we'll come back here, have coffee, and actually do a little bit of a tour around the place so you can see what the place is like. So I'll see you in the morning. Bye. Good morning. So it's about 4:40 a.m. Sunrise is about 5:20, 5:30, but I think there should be some light around 5. So I'm gonna get up, pack everything that we need, drone, cameras and all that. We'll head out to the Morning Hills. What a hike. But look at the view. So I ended up following Google Maps. It looked like there were some trails that would be a shortcut from actually driving around to where you're supposed to park. Good idea, bad idea. What the map doesn't show you is that it's pretty much straight vertical to get up to the top of the hill. And we're at basically a mountain. And I probably should have walked around. But at least we caught the sunrise. Let's check it out. Well, my drone's all out of batteries. That was really fun. Why don't we go walk around and explore a bit of the Himontagon Hills and catch the last bit of this sunrise. What a beautiful morning. There's a little bit of a sunrise, but the clouds have sort of covered it all up. But I kind of like it. It's actually not too hot. It's just the perfect temperature. It's beautiful here. All right, well, I've been here for about an hour, did some walking around. What a beautiful place. I love coming here. Why don't we head back to camp? I think it's time for a coffee, and then we can do a little bit of a tour of the Gracia Veranda. All right, see you back there. Well, I was on my way to camp, and then I happened to see another little trail veering off, and I followed it. And check this out. This place is really awesome if you want to do any hiking. There's little trails that you can see. There's trails that sort of follow all the way up these little mountains here, these little hills, over and around, all over the place. Oh, coffee. Okay, so we're back at camp. We're back at Gracia Veranda. What I want to do is go over two things. One is first how to get here. So if you're coming from Tagbilaran or Panglao, you're gonna follow the coast and you're gonna go past Loay through the Loay proper. And maybe about 5 minutes past Loay, you're going to see this turn to go left. You're gonna follow that road, and at the first intersection, you're gonna take another left and you're gonna follow it all the way up before you see the sign for Gracia Veranda, and that means you've made it. And then from here, if you want to get to the Himontagon Hills or the Morning Hills, you would just keep going past Gracia Veranda, and it's another 2 or 3 minutes by bike, or maybe 5 to 10 minutes walking, depending on how fast you walk. All right, next up, let's do a little room tour. So for the first room, it's actually a tent. I just had a chat with the owner, and she was saying that they have 5 tents. So if you have you and your barkada, you and your friends, you want to come and hang out and camp for the day, they have 5 tents available, but they also have some rooms. So why don't we go check that out? So they have this nice big living space with a kitchen, microwave, water, stove, and refrigerator. So there's 2 different rooms. This is the ocean facing. Lots of nice light, really awesome view. And then this is the second bedroom. There's no attached CR, but there's one just outside. So the one smaller room in the back is 1,000, and then the ocean facing is 1,500. It doesn't include use of the kitchen. If you want to do that, you'd actually have to rent the entire house, which is 3,500. Oh, I almost forgot, if you are going to rent a tent, it's 500 per night, and that includes use of the grill. You just need to bring your own charcoal. They have an outdoor washing area to wash your dishes, and a beautiful view. All right, I'm all packed, ready to go. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. I'll be putting out more content about awesome places to visit in Bohol. If you do want to stay here at Gracia Veranda, I will put their Facebook page link in the description below. That is the best way to book with them. I hope you have an awesome day.